I'm gonna catch it. Oh, I'm sorry, my baby. I want my baby. The baby crashed. Baby. She died. Baby. Daddy, don't die. Don't die, okay?
Rudy got an early Christmas present this year. Alright, hey bud. What day is it?
Day 4.
Day 4.
It's one of the best days of the week.
I agree. I like having lunch with Daddy.
Yeah, me too.
And then your siblings fell asleep on the way home, so what are we going to do?
Play board games.
We're going to have a game day. We'll see how many games we can get through before they wake up. What's the first game we're doing?
Shopping game.
Let's do it.
Next up is Skipples. Skips.
Isaac won shopping. We're playing Skip. Izzy, who won Skippo?
You. And I'm so mad.
That's right, I did. You don't need to be mad because you went shopping. Though there may have been some cheating going on in shopping.
That's how you win.
Alright, Izzy, what game did you pick next?
No more monkeys. Ooh, ooh, ah, ah. Ooh, ah.
Alright, what game are we playing now?
Yay!
Yeti, while you set that up, tell me about Too Many Monkeys. Who won?
Me.
Was it scary?
No.
No? Did you know you were going to win the whole time?
No, because you were catching up.
I did. I thought you were going to cream me, but then I caught up. But you still won. So, there's that. Alright, let's play Yeti. Henry woke up, so game night is over. But we're going to test out the marble run we made real quick. Rudy likes it too. Good job, babe. Alright, we're doing Henry Preschool. We're working on numbers. So he has to find the numbers in the bin of rice and then put them where they go on the puzzle. What did you find, bud?
It is
3. It is a 5.
You're supposed to go, hey, Mommy?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. I did it!
Yay, Henry! Good job. Alright, we have had a long, exhausting afternoon, and I'm stress eating. Pumpkin spice shake from Culver's. It's not bad. I have a Coke in the back for backup, because it's been a really long afternoon. So, I picked Isaac up from kindergarten this morning, and he had, what did you have? Ear infection. So we came home, gave him some ibuprofen, and he seemed to be okay until about 1 o'clock, and then he started complaining again. And I was trying everything, trying like warm compresses, cold compresses, olive oil, having him suck on stuff. Nothing. So we went into the urgent care at 3. We did not get on the pediatric side, which means that we didn't have any toys or books to help us with our weight. And we had to wait for 45 minutes. Then they took us back. We had to wait for another 15 minutes. And the doctor's like, yeah, it's red, it's infected. We'll get him an antibiotic. So we went, got stress treats, came to Smith's to pick up the prescription, and the doctor sent in the wrong prescription. So now we have to come back, and it's 5 o'clock. So we've been working on this for like 2 hours now. Yeah, stress eating. Gotta love it. Finally, at 8 o'clock last night, 3 hours after we first went to the doctor, we finally got Isaac's medicine. But the main thing is he's feeling a lot better today, so we are shaking it off and taking a family trip to the aviary. Should be fun. Henry, where are we?
We are that.
Say aviary?
Aviary.
What are the eagles doing?
They're doing the mouses.
They're eating their mice. Kind of gross.
You.
I'm sorry, Mom, for putting this on the vlog. Please forgive me. Hey, Izzy, what are those?
They're so beautiful.
Because they're pink?
Yeah.
Are you guys owls? Woo! You're safe, Henry. And jump. Henry, can you jump?
No.
No? Sydney, can you jump?
Yeah.
Woo! Alright, jump.
Hold on.
Oh, okay.
Say something.
Jump. Izzy, what are you looking at?
Cookies.
Duckies?
Aww. So cute. I got the back.
Are you making bird sounds? What does an owl say? Izzy, what are you doing?
I think duckies.
You seen duckies, Sydney and Henry? Are you helping?
Hey, duckies, duckies. Duckies, duckies. I can quack, quack, quack.
Are you flapping your wings? Show me how to flap your wings. Good flapping. Henry, can you flap your wings?
Flap, flap, flap. Alright, you guys look over here, say cheese. Cheese.
I'm here putting Henry to bed, and I'm just looking for a couple final thoughts to end the vlog with. So, Henry, do you have anything you'd like to say?
Yeah,
What would you like to say?
I just want to say, that's silly.